Hey, welcome back to my another video, and this time I have come back with a bamboo in front of you. I hope you are all full fit and fine and watching that I'm working such a sunny day, and I am sweetening, and you may think that I'm working to show you. No. I wanna to say you industry is the key to success. Without industry, you can never a successful man. This sweet, this industry will never betray with you. Your nibblings, your siblings, your siblings, or any other relatives will betray with you. But this sweet, this industry never will betray with me and with you. So I do like to request you to invest your time to you have to adhere to learn English, so it will be better for you. You know that this is the second day of Eid al-Fitr. So I can spend my time with idleness to sit in my bed with gossiping with my friends, but I don't do this. I would like to spend my time in work. I'm a son of soil. So if you wanna to, what is my root? This is my root. This is called root. I never wanna to forget my roots. ওকে, যদি আমি আমার রুটকে ভুলে যাই তাহলে আমি কিসের মানুষ হলাম? এটা মানুষ না, এটাই হচ্ছে আমার পরিচিতি, এটাই আমার সম্পর্ক। সো dear viewers who wanna to learn English, who wanna to speak in English, please you have to adhere to learn English and never think English in Bangla. Please, if you wanna to speak English, please think English to English. If you please clear your mind to think English to English, never in Bengali. If you make Bangla in your mind, you can never be a true speaker in English. So dear viewers, আপনি বাংলা দিয়ে ইংলিশ করবেন কখনো হবে না। ইংলিশ উইল বি থট অ্যাজ আ ইংলিশ। ইংলিশকে ইংলিশের মতো করে চিন্তা করতে হবে, and then you will be success and you will be a English speaker. So I'm a Thai. It seems to me, or I find English as a foreign language is tough. It's very not very difficult, but it's take time to speak in English. And if you wanna to speak English, you have to adhere. You have to invest your time. You have to concentrate your mind in English, and that will be better for you. This sunny day is the best time to harvest, and this is the best time for me. এই ভুট্টাগুলো রোদ্দুরে শুকাবো ফার্স্টে, দেন উইল বি সেল ইন মার্কেট। অ্যান্ড আপনারা দেখেছেন যখন আমরা এই ভুট্টাগুলো উড়িয়েছিলাম তখন কিন্তু একটা ভিডিও আপলোড করেছিলাম এবং দেখিয়েছিলাম কীভাবে ভুট্টাগুলো সারাতে হয়। অ্যান্ড অনেকে somehow maybe think that I'm working this to show you. No, I don't want to show you this industry because this industry makes me happy. This industry makes me fit, and it makes me more attractive to concentrate in my job, in my work, in my any deeds, household or official deeds. Whenever I do this physical labor, it makes me fit. You can never how it's work in my mind, in my body, and it's keep me fit. Please, if you wanna to fit, if you wanna to keep fit in your body, please work hard. Please work hard. There is no way without working hard. So please don't feel any hesitation to work hard, to be an industrial person. Okay, see you again. See you in another video. Allah Hafiz.